Network path was not found in SQL Server Windows hosting. My website is not loading properly. I am getting error message. Network path was not found. The problem is due to SQL connection. To resolve this error, here I am opening Godaddy Plex admin. This is my website. Here I am selecting the database and clicking open button. Clicking connection info and then clicking connection tab. If you have problem with network path, just verify your data source, and here copying the data source value. Opening file manager and opening the web.config file. Here I am pasting the data source value and finally saved it. Working fine. Thanks for watching. Bye.